Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand and in
see that in conjunction with Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi offering to resign.
No, that is different because he was very clear. Even prior to the elections, he was saying that if he doesn't win 7 seats, he would like to resign. But he has said it is for the Congress Working Committee or the Congress President to take the final call on that. And as far as Nota is concerned,
doesn't it reflect on the performance of the Assam government as well?
That is entirely different. This election is purely of the Lok Sabha 2014. And it is the national election, not the assembly election.
But then there are people like Sandeep Dixit who say that he is paying because of anti-incumbency against the previous Delhi government as well as the centre government. So you use your arguments as per your convenience.
No, it's not a question of my convenience. I can't answer for their interpretations because I don't know what kind of interpretations they are making. As far as the Chief Minister of Assam is concerned, he is very clear in that and he is very candid also. And it is for the Congress Working Committee or the Congress President to take the decision. And as far as Nota is concerned, it's an option which has been there for the past 2 years now. And let's see how, it's an experiment, let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Since you have to leave...
just one sentence, this Nota in Congress.
We have seen in Assembly, we have seen in 96, we have seen in 98, we have seen in 99. It's part of the democratic process. As far as this one is concerned, yes, the verdict is something unimaginable. They have got a clear mandate, and let's see what has
लेकिन
gone
आपको नहीं
wrong.
लगता कि इस बार का चुनाव बिल्कुल अलग है? यहाँ पे मुद्दे अलग रहे, एक तो जनता में जो एक तरह से उमंग रहा या फिर जो उनको पार्टिसिपेट करने का जो जज्बा रहा वो ज्यादा रहा, टर्नआउट बहुत हुआ, पूरी तरह से राजनीति देश की बदल गई, तो शायद कांग्रेस को भी बदलने की जरूरत है।
देखिए, राजनीतिक मुद्दा आप जरा बताइए ना, राजनीतिक आपने कहा राजनीतिक मुद्दा अलग है करके, कहीं मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहीं कहा उसका डेवलपमेंट प्लान क्या है? अगर गुजरात let me complete. If he has got a Gujarat model, there are super model also. Tamil Nadu is a super model in terms of in automobile industry, in terms of electronic industries and whatnot. Tamil Nadu is a super model.
There are frequent outages there.
In terms of human development index, Kerala comes first. So these are all the things which he has not spelled. And he has not spelled out what is his blue.
Disillusionment with the Congress Party.
We have in our manifesto.
Absolutely, there may be a disillusionment in the minds of the Congress, some of the Congress leaders, but definitely not in the minds of the Congress worker. They are ready to bounce back.
What about the voters? The voters were definitely disillusioned, which is why you got the tally that you have.
You know, in a democratic process, we have seen every 5 years how they
this is the worst
give their
ever
mandate.
electoral defeat, Mr. Prasad.
We have seen the worst also.
अब क्या नारा प्रियंका अलाव वाला होगा?
देखिए, वो प्रियंका जी को आना नहीं लाना वो उसका खुद का डिसीजन है, मगर एज फार एज कांग्रेस वर्कर इज कंसर्न, कांग्रेस पार्टी इज कंसर्न, इट्स नॉट डिसोल्यूशन।
क्योंकि आप लोग मांग करते रहे कि राहुल अल्टीमेटली आए।
वी आर इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, वी विल फाइट बैक, इट्स आवर राइट।
जी, हमारे मेहमान है, आपसे एक सवाल पूछना
छोटा सा सवाल है आपसे, आप कांग्रेस का पॉलिसी फेल्यूर मानते हैं इसे या लीडरशिप फेल्यूर मानते हैं?
कांग्रेस का पॉलिसी भी फेल्यूर नहीं, बेस्ट पॉलिसी है। कांग्रेस का लीडरशिप भी बहुत स्टेबल लीडरशिप है। सुन लीजिए ना, तो हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल कमियां कुछ है, इसलिए ये जो आपको क्या बोलते हैं, कभी कभी अप्रिय सत्य भी बोलना पड़ता है पब्लिक लाइफ में, प्रिय झूठ भी बोल के हम लोग कुछ हासिल कर लेते हैं।
What does that mean? Sidelining the old guard further?
No, nothing of that.
Having more democratization like
I'm
Youth
talking
Congress?
of the verdict.
No, you're talking about the constraints as far as
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फेलियर मतलब नियोजन का फेलियर है। आपकी सबसे पुरानी पार्टी है और नियोजन
पार्टी में कुछ कमियां हो सकता है, उसको हम लोग ठीक कर लेंगे।
उन्होंने डिफेंड अपनी पॉलिसीज को डिफेंड नहीं किया, एक बार किसी ने बढ़ के नहीं कहा कि हमने नरेगा दिया, हमने फूड सिक्योरिटी दिया, वो छोड़ो, किसी ने नहीं कहा। अरे भाई नहीं, चिदम्बरम